Hello, I am Dr. Parul Shah. I am a psychologist, graphologist, worksheet designer, and phonics expert. I am the author of the book Empowered with BLA Phonics 1 and 2. Both are available on Amazon and Flipkart. I am early education empowerment coach. I help women to start their career in teaching. So it's learn and earn at home. Today we will talk about how to teach children to write a composition on Children's Day. So as we all know that when they grow, they have to write proper 3-paragraph composition. First paragraph is introduction, second paragraph is the body, and the third paragraph is conclusion. In the first paragraph, they should write when is Children's Day celebrated and why it is celebrated on that day. And 2-3 more sentences to add the more reasons to why it is celebrated and the importance of that day. Then in body they have to write how it was celebrated for them. So or maybe any celebration in school, teachers did some plays, or any special performance by teachers in the school, they got any gift. Sometimes they can wear colored clothes on Children's Day and go to school, so they can write about that and how the whole day went in school. If there was any celebration at home or in the society, or they must have gone somewhere on that day. Many people organize celebrations for children on that day. So if they went to some such sort of a celebration, they can write that also in the body. So body will be completely about how it was celebrated. Conclusion will be how was their feeling on that day. So how did they enjoy it, the gift they got, how was that gift, and how special they felt that day. So they have to write everything they felt on that day. So this is the way they will form a proper 3-paragraph composition on Children's Day. Now they also have to keep in mind the vocabulary. So it will be celebration, decoration done in the classroom, maybe if teachers have done, performance. Then it is the birthday of our first Prime Minister of the country, Jawaharlal Nehru. So the spelling also of each word they should know, and they have to write correctly. Also, why on his birthday we celebrate Children's Day? So because he used to love children a lot. They can also add 1 or 2 more sentences on Jawaharlal Nehru. So all these vocabulary they have to include. They enjoyed a lot, they got gift, they were appreciated on that day, they could wear colored clothes on that day, or it might be a no bag day, so they just went, saw a movie, had celebration, no study day maybe. So whatever it was, these are all the options, or you can say vocabulary or points that they can include in their composition. So while writing composition, they have to keep in mind the sequence of the points, the vocabulary related to the topic, and also the formation of the sentences. Grammatically, the sentences should be correct. So usually when we write such celebration, it is either in present tense or in past tense. So if they are writing in present tense, then it should be that generally this happens. But if they are writing about their own Children's Day celebration, then it would be past tense because it's already done and now they are writing about that celebration. So then it would be that this happened, that happened. So it will be completely past tense. Only the first paragraph will be present tense, that it is celebrated on 14th November and because it is Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. So that first paragraph will be present tense. But second paragraph and the third paragraph would be in the past tense because the celebration is done, and even the last paragraph when they are sharing their feelings, it would be in the past tense, how they felt that day. So that day is already gone. I hope it's clear for you. If you need any such topic to be taken for creative writing, or you have any query related to creative writing, please comment below. If you have not followed me yet, please follow me for more. Bye-bye. Take care.